मेरा कैमरा का क्वालिटी बेटर कैसे हो गया? आई डोंट फॉलो कि मेरे को बस लाइटिंग समझ में आ गया।
मेरा बिल्ला बीच में आ गया तो सॉरी विदिस, मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता इसके बारे में। लड़कियों के नखरे नहीं लिखने, है ना विदिस? नहीं, हम नहीं, सॉरी। ओके,
कुछ कंट्रोवर्शियल मत डालना।
Hello, Unengineers. Welcome to episode number 19 of the Unengineered podcast. My name is Atik Kurchi.
My name is Advait. We are gonna talk about my favorite company, Apple, all over again. पूरा episode उसी से होगा because it's Apple. You will be shocked कितना सारा questions can't be answered with because it's Apple.
Advait,
why did they do that?
Do you know which is my favorite company in the world?
AMD. Yeah, OnePlus.
Advait is
unengineered.
Yeah.
Unengineered.
Oh my god.
Oh god.
What is this? Advait, what is this? I don't believe it. Nice, yeah.
Lack of self-confidence.
Very nice. Unengineered is my favorite company. Then comes, I think,
yes.
Apple, then it's OnePlus, then AMD. Yeah. I hate Intel.
Not good to hear.
But today we have कल रात के 11:30 बजे Apple का इवेंट हुआ था. They were like one more thing. वो लोग बोले, oh we forgot to tell you about our new Mac. I'm so sorry. Come back. Listen to us.
It's like they want to show off their transition. उसलिए वो अलग-अलग इवेंट बना रहे हैं. तो transitions were again mind blowing.
Good.
वो एक फ्लोर वाला सबसे बेस्ट था. वैसे अलग-अलग
हाँ, वो नीचे से जा रहा है. Oh yeah, the color changing.
वो सब कलर चेंज होके हाँ.
That was a lot of fun.
वो I don't think वो exist करते हैं वैसे rooms, but whatever.
हाँ, I think they were just changing the color of one room and.
हाँ वही.
It's all right. Good camera trick.
Ninja technique. So okay, let's get to it like directly. Let's get to hardware. Atik is gonna tell us about the hardware, guys.
Yes. अगर तुमने नहीं देखा है कल का इवेंट तो एप्पल ने एक नया अनवेल किया उन लोग का खुद का मैकबुक प्रोसेसर. वो लोग ने अनवेल किया एप्पल का खुद का मैकबुक प्रोसेसर. अब तक एप्पल प्रोसेसर डालता था अपने वॉच में, अपने फोन में, अपने आईपैड्स में. बट नाउ आफ्टर हैविंग यूज्ड इंटेल प्रोसेसर्स pretty much in all of their desktop based products, be it the Mac Mini, Mac Pro, iMac or the MacBooks, they have finally decided, like काफी लीक हुए थे न्यूज़, सबको पता था कि आने वाला है.
They even announced it the previous event.
Yeah, they announced it. They were like we have chips, boys.
They're like, we are sick of Intel. Bye. What problem कर रहा है? Get out.
Yeah. So now
But we have some opinions about it again.
Yeah, which is why we're making this podcast. This entire podcast is about our opinions, which nobody cares about, but you should because they are true. That's what.
So let's get to the M1 chip. पहले तो हाँ, it's the same chip inside the Air, the Mini, and the MacBook Pro, which I don't have a good feeling about, but the rest of the world doesn't care because no one, literally zero people have questioned Apple की same processor क्यों है. I don't get it. The only difference between the Air and the Pro is that the Air doesn't have a fan, so it has a smaller thermal envelope and the screen वगैरह, the normal differences. But the processor being the same is, I don't know.
Thermal envelope essentially means कि the amount of heat that a product or a hardware, the amount of heat that a chassis can, handle without any problems. That's thermal envelope.
Like without thermal throttling, basically.
Yes.
That's the biggest problem. So that's the difference. And Mac Mini maybe it's the same. Mac Minis are usually cheaper laptop, cheaper. I don't know what you call them. Desktop, they're still small size.
Mini PCs.
It's the mini PCs. And the way Apple did it is, we thought they're gonna go the efficiency way because Apple ke processors are really efficient with the high efficient cores and the high powered cores. But they delivered on performance too. Like their numbers are 2 times better than Intel, वगैरह previous, and they don't. 2 times better than the best in class laptops. What's the best in class laptops? I don't know.
2 times better than the latest Windows PC chip.
रुक. I am on there. इधर तो
that is it is latest Windows laptop PC chip. Latest Windows laptop chip.
What is the latest Windows? एक तो they don't give context to what they're talking about. They'll just say it's 2 times better.
Yes.
Although the performance bumps they offered कि over the previous MacBook Air, like let's talk about the Air first.
Yeah.
If it's 5 times better, the Intel chips inside them were shit anyway. MacBook
Yeah,
Air can. It was a
that's
good laptop. It's just that it wasn't very powerful.
It was very limited.
And abhi, you can edit videos to 4K ProRes streams on a MacBook Air. That thing doesn't have a fan.
That's
So
insane.
that's
God.
that's actually insane. And the thing is, this reduces the barrier of entry for pros. Like Apple has always been, we won't play the numbers game and stuff.
Yes.
You can create the way they show off the product is look how much you can create on, and that is always true. Like they might not score the best thing in benchmarks, but for some reason सारे pros use करते हैं वो लोग का laptops. And coming to creative like audio, video, the apps are optimized so well for that chip that it can run stuff that even some Windows laptops can't. That's according to Apple. So what do you think about it? Like, given this hardware info, I think we don't have any benchmarks. Also, I'm sick, really sick, so my voice is different hoga. But I just want to put it out
Exactly.
there.
That's the problem.
What do you think?
That's the problem. We don't have benchmarks. जब मैं कल event देख रहा था तो I was like, यार, good numbers, nice comparisons, but मेरे को benchmarks चाहिए. Because I don't believe it. Now, when it comes to giving context, जो Ajit ने point raise किया that they do not give context to what they're exactly comparing, take the example of AMD. AMD ने clearly बोल दिया कि we are comparing our chips to 10900K and उसके related हमारा 19% better है या whatever जो भी था. Apple does not do that. They're very vague. Which is the latest Windows-based chip? I don't know. I don't know.
No one calculates Windows laptops वो measure पे.
No, like, because साल में 10 chip निकलते हैं यार Windows laptops के लिए. So like you can't really 10 क्या 20 chip निकलते हैं. And it's insane. So like
and the thing is, especially in a market which is switching from Intel to AMD.
Oh yeah.
Now, we don't even know किस बात की बात करें. Because if they're comparing to Intel chips, they haven't shit for a while. So.
Because if you ask me, what is the latest? The latest is an Intel chip for a laptop, which is like the Tiger Lake and stuff, but it's not in the market yet. So does it? It is kind of in the market.
I think उन्होंने best selling भी बोला था बीच में.
It's pointless. Best selling Windows.
So
laptop.
best selling. The thing about best selling is it's never always the best processor that is out there. It is one which is sold the most. So comparing to it, you can put yourself higher.
Yeah.
It is also true, but it doesn't excite the enthusiasts.
Yeah, the people. But then again, like a lot of people who buy the MacBooks don't really care. Again, and MacBook, the Apple knows its target audience, right? The enthusiasts will be satisfied. They don't really need the enthusiasts to like buy the products. They need because enthusiasts are like 10%, 5% of
1%.
Apple customers. Yeah,
the entire Apple ka audience.
Exactly.
And MacBook Airs are the most sold laptops.
I swear, it's the most sold 13-inch laptop in the world, and they've held that record for a long while. Yeah, you don't know.
I didn't know that.
Tell me any other 13-inch laptop that is popular.
Oh हाँ, laptop में fragmentation इतना है.
There is literally no, like none of the Windows-based 13-inch laptops are easy to recommend right now. The most easiest to recommend right now is an AMD based. जो आया था उनका बीच में क्या था? Zephyrus G14. That one. That's a 14-inch laptop.
वो वाला.
That's not in it's not even in the same category.
It's not in the class technically.
Yeah, it's not in the class. There is no Windows-based 13-inch laptop that I can recommend to anybody right now, and that has been true for the last 10 years, literally. So I mean,
a lot of people seeing the Apple logo, they just want to buy an Apple laptop.
Yeah.
And so the MacBook Air is the first laptop they see that is the cheapest.
Absolutely.
And okay, you can buy that and actually do a lot of work.
Yes.
So that is great again.
Definitely. A lot of people who say they get hired for the first time, they go to the first job, they go to the second job, right? And they want to get some work done. They just, if they can afford, they just buy a MacBook because they buy a MacBook Air because सब काम होता है जो तुम daily office में करते हो. for a non-creative working professional, it's the best someone can get. I believe.
Non-creative as in?
Non-creative.
I think creative people should buy it.
No, what? No, it's the majority of people who buy it are non-creative users, dude. Especially in India.
Okay, I don't know, but in my opinion, creative लोग as in the people who can't afford the Pro and वैसे वाला.
No, that's not what I mean. I mean the people who are CEO. They don't use creative applications.
Oh, अच्छा वैसे. Okay,
yes.
Okay. The spreadsheet guy.
हाँ, the spreadsheet guy. The guy.
हाँ, but उसका तो iPad पे भी काम चल जाएगा.
वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ, but iPad पे कीबोर्ड नहीं है ढंग का. iPad. Indian users are not that. They don't see that.
I guess.
Indian users can still like.
Okay, I get it. Like that is still a major portion of the people who buy CUs and वगैरह. They don't need the high performance.
Until last year, I don't know if you know this, Advait, but until last year, the 2013 MacBook Air was still selling like hotcakes.
बड़े versions वाला ना.
Yes.
But why are people buying that? I don't know. Because it worked.
Because it works, dude. Like after 7 years, it's still the most favored 13-inch laptop in the market. What other product can do it apart from like Apple? That's why it's very impressive, right? Oh, my cat is out.
Okay, coming back to the processor again. The M1 chip has everything integrated. The RAM,
I like that. I frankly like that.
RAM, GPU, and neural engine. So I want to come to this topic where for a long period of time we have been putting more cores, more power into and smaller nodes and stuff into processor. But what I think is abhi jo hone wala is we'll see what the processor is being put into the phone, the MacBook, the laptop, the this, the that,
yep.
And we'll custom design it that way. Just Apple case where now there's a lot of machine learning workload that the CPUs have to handle. So they add a neural engine in all of their chips, which is responsible for doing all the matrix multiplication जो machine learning के लिए usually लगता है. That is the most taxing calculation that a machine learning task has to do.
Algorithm does, yeah.
So once the neural engine is there, the most taxing part is handled by that machine learning curve. And that speeds up all the machine learning workloads. If you watch the keynote, they talked about this a lot. Ki machine learning is accelerated using that chip.
Also,
and what I think the future
core processor, which is extremely impressive. Yeah, please continue.
I think need hoga. It's not showing off. I think it's a need key.
Yeah, it is.
Actually, calculations are hard to do. Machine.
Yeah. I agree.
So my point is, I think. Like for semiconductors in general, for semiconductors in general, processors in general, we are gonna move towards having diversified processors हर चीज के लिए.
Optimization.
And optimizing for the tasks that they most have to do. This has pros and cons. Pros ki our devices will get a lot faster without having to add more and more cores on them. But the downside is, I think backwards compatibility is going to take some hit because you can't do diverse tasks on that. Like it is meant to do a specific set of tasks, and maybe you keep the laptop for 5 years, and 5 years ka machine learning is not the thing, something else is the thing, या someone makes an algorithm जिससे कुछ और tax करना पड़ता है, जिससे कुछ like
कोई दूसरा resource
which is taxing on some other resource, not on the neural engine. So that's kind of waste. But
exactly.
Usually hardware ke sath they proceed safely ki nothing is getting wasted. So that is not that big a concern. But what are your opinions on custom chips?
Apple has been, as I said, Apple makes custom chips. Again, Apple has been doing this for the past 4 years. They make custom chips for their iPhones. They make custom chips for their iPads. A separate chip for their iPhones. They have been doing it for a long while. And that's why I said, ki matlab, this was the nail in the coffin for Apple. Now I think this was one of the major long-term goals that Apple had in its scaling model. कि एक दिन भाई full independent artist बनेंगे हम. Intel नहीं चाहिए, कोई नहीं चाहिए बाहर का. समझा?
आत्मनिर्भर बन गया Apple.
Absolutely, Apple is आत्मनिर्भर now. That's a good point.
Now they have closed all the doors. They don't need anyone else basically.
Absolutely.
They just need their own target audience, and they're gonna kill it, I guess, with the new MacBooks. So when they announced that they're gonna switch to ARM MacBooks and Big Sur, which is the latest operating system, जो कल release होने वाला है, so I can finally get off this beta and finally start using Matplotlib. I miss Matplotlib. वो use ही नहीं कर सकते. I have to log into that SSH
Got it.
my PC. So the thing is, पहले we are holding off on people कि मत खरीदो. Except the coders का point I'll come to in the software. But people who are creative, as in जिनका creative tasks are done on softwares which Apple covers easy, like Final Cut Pro या Premiere Pro. Adobe Suite भी kind of Apple के साथ ही count होता है, because so many people use MacBooks to edit on Adobe software कि उनको support करना ही पड़ता है, because a lot of people will do stuff. And then audio professionals and ऐसा creative लोगों के लिए they have killed it, and those softwares will scale so well because they have been optimized for the chip.
Yes.
And ये chips का entire game is software optimization. वो हुआ तो they are some homegrown, वो नहीं हुआ तो third strike. वैसा.
True. That's right. That's very true. So yeah, I think optimization is the future, and Apple is riding hard on that wave. They're already like 10 steps ahead of us. AMD, did I raise the point yet?
No, you didn't.
The comparison that I wanted to make was with AMD. Ajit ne bola tha ki after a certain while it's pointless. It's going to be pointless to add more cores, and he makes complete sense because अगर तुम AMD को देखोगे तो AMD के पास एक desktop CPU है जिसमें 64 cores है, ठीक है? And that's an extremely expensive processor to buy, to manufacture. And to maintain, ठीक है? Because you have to understand कि जब हम एक processor बनाते हैं, ठीक है? अगर there's a lot of variables that go into creating a processor. उसमें जितने ज़्यादा
basically yield बहुत कम रहता है. That is why they are expensive.
जितना ज़्यादा cores है, it is that difficult to make that processor, ठीक है? कुछ भी गलत हो गया तो that it's discarded.
The entire wafer is gone.
Yes, the entire silicon is wasted. The manufacturing machine जितना वो लोगों ने power use किया सब waste जाता है. ठीक है, so it's difficult to make those processors, and nobody buys them. Very few people buy 64 core processors. ठीक है, so
exactly
what AMD did this year was they were like, we're not gonna add crazy processors. हम लोग 16 core maximum release करेंगे. अब तक तो वही किया है. आगे देखेंगे क्या होता है. So AMD took the first step, right? They were like, we're not gonna add ton of processors. We're gonna optimize what we have right now. And then Apple came out and they were like, we are 10 steps ahead of you. We optimized everything. 8 core में सब कुछ कर दिया होगा. Which is insane.
But the thing is, इसमें 8 cores है, but the neural engine has 16 cores. So that's the thing. They've separated the task and given what one does the best and दूसरा does the best.
I swear.
And the reason I said that, like that felt kind of out of context. The 64 cores I used this. The price and the yield make them use it. It's not that we can't use 64 cores.
They're not useless.
Anybody would love to use all of them.
Yes.
It's just that it's hard to get hands on.
After a point,
so I think
the
custom chips are the future.
Absolutely, 64 cores. It's like the point of diminishing returns के बहुत आगे है वो, ठीक है? So
and you know I have this.
When you pay that much money for a chip, you're not really getting the most you can out of it, because एक तो you can't actually stress it a lot.
Scale something. Scale a software to use 64 cores.
Yeah, it is in like production studios कर पाएंगे वैसा, ठीक है? तुम you as a user, it's difficult for you to do it unless you're doing it on a big scale, ठीक है? So ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों का काम है ना 16 कोर में हो जाता है, like working professionals who are earning their entire livelihood around one desktop processor. 16 कोर बहुत है उनके, ठीक है?
So those who don't know, Teslas used to use Nvidia का chips for their calculations, सारा machine learning का task, and then Tesla have to do a lot of machine learning stuff, obviously for autopilot.
Bro, yeah.
But उनका सारा cameras के साथ पहले they used to get 110 frames per second. Nvidia का chip use करते. They made their own chip. It gives them 2,300 frames per second. That's a 21 times jump, and that is what these custom chips can do, which are made specifically for that task.
Yes.
And ये सब ऐसे custom hardware, like Tesla is a custom hardware, a car is a custom hardware
and custom software.
it has one very specific task, drive me from point A to B, like autopilot के case में
Exactly.
drive me from point A to B without crash जो भी.
Yes.
So in these custom scenarios, these chips can do wonders. That's a 21 times growth. Have you seen that anywhere from first generation to second?
मैंने 2000 expect नहीं किया था, मैंने 200 expect किया था. बोले ठीक है यार, twice.
नहीं. And so लोग ने एक बोर्ड पे 2 चिप्स रखा है.
Oh shit. So does that mean it's like 42%? No, right?
नहीं, I think they work together or there is a backup या ऐसा कुछ तो.
हाँ तो फिर ठीक है.
I don't remember. But that's the thing. That is my point. Ki I think the world is gonna move towards custom hardware abhi for some time before we come back to generalized stuff. Anyway, let's move on to software. What do you say? Software for these new chips, because a lot of stuff that they are capable of doing is via software. So as they mentioned in the keynote, Big Sur is built ground up. Big Sur is made ground up to run an ARM because उनको ही पता है after a couple of years it's gonna be all MacBooks and software से एक दिन में change नहीं कर सकते to ARM. So they are starting right now and Big Sur looks like it is made for ARM because Intel पे थोड़ा सा कुछ भी चीजें which don't seem obvious and stuff, but yeah, it's not bad at all. Big Sur is, I love Big Sur in general. मैं beta use कर रहा हूँ कब से.
Yes.
And the thing is, the improvements that they talked about 5 times, 2 times, जितना भी था, they are kind of a best case scenario. Like that is company marketing 101.
Yes.
Give the best case scenario हमेशा.
Yes.
Only if the developers optimize the software, then only you'll get those 18-hour battery lives with 5 times speed improvements.
Yes.
And the thing is, like I mentioned before, if you are a creative professional, go with the newer one. Don't go with the Intel one. That is my go-to answer.
I agree. Because
there is so much capability abhi usme ki it doesn't make sense to go Intel, even though you want the 16-inch. Just wait for the 16-inch to come. I think वो M2 processor के साथ आएगा. I don't know. Still have M1. But yeah, don't go with Intel right now if you do creative work like sound design, some music, video.
Essentially, if you do anything other than coding, go for the M1.
I'll be coming to coding. Coding is something which you can't do in one application. Like you can, one application ऐसे एक ही company नहीं बनाता anything related to coding. There's Google making some, there's Apple making some, there's Facebook making some. If you switch to ARM, you will get Apple ka support, but you won't get Google and stuff ka support. As of now, at least. Like बाद में it might change. Maybe Apple has partnerships with Google, Facebook to bring their stuff to you, but a lot of stuff is open source, which does not work on ARM.
Yeah.
And as much as Apple likes to sell Rosetta, Rosetta is the thing which
cross-platform enables cross-platform.
Cross-platform. Like ARM say it will emulate x86. I don't think ऐसा cross libraries and वो सब काम करेगा properly. Like libraries which communicate with multiple stuff at once. I don't think that's gonna work.
Apparently, Carl Federighi भैया ने एक बहुत मस्त वाला claim किया था. Do you remember what the claim was? He was like, Rosetta Stone major emulations है. They run better than running native.
That might be true.
That could be true, but like I need to.
But it is only in certain applications,
exactly.
not in every application.
मैं वही तो बोल रहा हूँ. That's exactly what I mean. Tall claim, man. Good,
and
good one. Good call.
If your app runs better on Rosetta than on x86, either processor बेकार है या फिर तुम्हारा app बेकार है जिसने भी किया था. So so that's the thing. If you're a coder, don't change your entire system because
don't do that.
Okay, I'm gonna go through detail में इधर. The reason your current applications won't work on the ARM chip is because उनका instruction set अलग होता है. When you type code, it gets converted to machine code, and that is what is actually communicating with the processor.
Yep.
So communication ही break हो जाता है because the language is changed. When different from x86 to ARM, the instruction set is changed. And as much as you want to emulate and simulate it, कुछ ना कुछ तो गड़बड़ होगा. And you'll be left in the dust because as we move fast in the coding community, but I don't think overnight सारा library shift हो जाएगा towards ARM, and वो हो गया तो it won't work with x86. And let's be honest, coding is just not done on Macs. It's done on a lot of machines. सब करते हैं वगैरह, and not all of them support ARM. that is why 16-inch they didn't release an ARM version for that. There might be different reasons, but they are not cutting Intel off abhi tak. They're having a 2-year transition period, and they'll have new MacBooks coming with new Intel chips in the future. That's not stopping either. But they have given these 2 years for software development, like development software to transition to ARM. But I don't know if that will happen because let's be honest, MacBooks only have a certain share of the pie. Coding community mein काफी ज़्यादा part is covered by Ubuntu.
Yes,
and stuff.
Absolutely.
And I don't think
people are going to change in 2 years.
Exactly. No. So the thing is, Ubuntu runs on ARM. It's just that the people who are actually doing coding on Ubuntu machines have beefy machines x86 architecture around.
Yes.
And they are not going to switch to ARM anytime.
They're not going to do that.
And they are the people making that stuff. So I don't know ARM के लिए बनाएंगे कि नहीं. They will make like Android Studios वगैरह ऐसा important चीजें आ जाएगा. बस तो little ऐसा side वाला sidelines की edge cases उनको बोलते हैं in whatever place. But I think that's going to be a problem. So if you're a coder, I would not recommend going ARM, at least right now. It might change in the future, but
Fair enough. Cool. So yeah, we covered the Apple event. We talked about the M1 chip, the 2 laptops, the hardware and software side of things. Anything else you'd like to add,
Advait? Who uses the Mac Mini with the 6K Retina display? I don't get it.
What
that display cost $5,000?
Yeah, $6,000.
$6,000? Okay, that.
Oh no, 5,000. Sorry, 5,000 plus the stand. Yeah. It's literally 5,000 plus the stand.
They actually showed it off. Like Apple is usually the company which shows off their products actually being used अच्छे से. And that display with, maybe it's because they just have one display.
Yeah,
and they didn't want to put any other company ka naam there. But that was so dumb. Like
I don't know.
I usually defend Apple, but that was so dumb.
Yeah, I mean, I'm guessing because the thing is, let's imagine a scenario where someone is using a Mac Mini with a 6th grade, like whatever, their XDR. What do you think that scenario would be? Why do you think that scenario exists?
I cannot fathom someone using that.
Okay, so there's no possible reason why someone would do that. Oh my god.
It might be because your Mac Pro is waiting to come and display आ गया तो use कर रहा है. That is the only thing. 1-2 दिन के लिए use कर रहा है. That is the only scenario I can think of.
Good one. That's probably pretty accurate. Nice.
Because I have been there, you know. मेरा ऐसा PC का केस नहीं आया था and I wanted to play, so मैं ऐसा पूरा टेबल पे assemble कर दिया PC and I just played वैसा एक दिन के लिए and फिर अगले दिन आया तो मैं केस पे assemble किया.
Nice.
So that happens, but काफी rare.
Wow. Fair enough. Good. Apple is looking out for the niche users as well. Good Apple. Good on you. On that note, we'd like to...
I guess we'll conclude it here.
Fair enough.
But yeah, this was again pura Apple ke baare mein. We had a bit of Tesla in there, but
whatever. And we also had a bit of Intel and AMD in there.
Of course, when you're getting kicked out, you have to mention that.
Oh god. Fair enough. If there are any other topics that you would like us to talk about, you can let us know in the comments below. You can also follow us on Instagram. You can follow us. We'll put clips there. We'll put a little more content there. Give us a little time. We're transitioning, all right? Thank you so much for watching episode 19 of the Unengineered podcast. We really appreciate your time. You can check out this podcast on all your favorite podcasting platforms. We are on Instagram. We have a website. All the links in the description. Check it out. I am Atik Kurchi signing off.
I am Advait signing off. Follow us on Instagram. That is where you get the new updates instantly, I guess.
Pretty much instantly. We'll see.
If you waited for a podcast last week, we had an exam. Sorry, we couldn't do it.
And we updated that on our Instagram. Just follow us there.
Atik ka next year exams nahi hoga, lucky him. But
Atik अगले साल होगा कि नहीं पता नहीं.
Yeah.
Sorry, थोड़ा deep हो गया. Okay, we're gonna conclude this here. We'll see you next week. Until then, please get unengineered. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.